Hi guys, this is your girl Annie from Annie Luxury Skincare. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Easter, guys. It's a rainy day in California. Anyway, I'm here to tell you about some products. I've been trying it and I didn't introduce it to you guys, so now I'm introducing it and I'm also giving you a review on it. So guys, before I get into it, please like, subscribe, share my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that notification bell that every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And like my video, guys, please watch it to the end. Please, I'm not rude, but if you ask me, I will tell you nicely down in the bottom if you leave a nice comment. Don't leave no nasty comment over here because, girl, I'm a shakara. And if you come for me, I'll come right back for you. So be nice, play nice, and I'll play nice with you guys. All right? I love you guys. Anyway, let's get into the video. First, I want to introduce to you the Bio Nature Healthy Glow Lightning Shower Scrub Cream with vitamin C and niacinamide, and also the lotion. There's two types. So we have the Pro, both Pros, Super Lightning. All right, I have not used these, so let me tell you about these first. All right, so these are Pro Lightning. Let me tell you, these are for the fair skin and the light skin ladies. Okay, it's called Pro. It's a very lightening. The body wash is very lightening. It's for the yellow tone HALFCAST ladies. So this will give you like up to 2 shades. It's very, very good. Very, very good. The only thing, I've not used this, but I've used this. But the only thing I could tell you, maybe you need to get either my arbutin oil, or you could get almond oils, any oils, because it dries out the skin. So you see, this has alpha arbutin and kojic acid. So it is pro lightening, up there lightening, right? What can I tell you more about it? When you're going to shower, people who have dark armpits, dark arm ties together, just put a little there or between your legs. If you have dark armpits and dark inner thighs, and leave it there for a minute, it really do lightens and remove blocks, dark spots, scars, stain, whatever. And it lightens the skin. This baby gives you 2 to 3 shades from the shades that you have. It's a very, very good. It's a very, very good combo. So guys, we have it in stock, a lot in stock, so you can try it out. So let me tell you about the Bio Nature Healthy Glow Ultra Lightening Scrub Shower Cream. It has vitamin C and niacinamide. And you know, anything that has vitamin C and niacinamide is great for the skin. So what I do, guys, see if you could see, I am using it. If you could see, I'm using it. And if you could see in there, it's been used. Anyway, smells good. Not have a full perfume scent, but it smells really good. It smells like it's fixing your skin, like it's repairing your skin. So what I did, for me, you don't have to do it, but I'm just telling you, I used this with the Celebrity HALFCAST. I did a video in it. You can go watch it. You see, show you I've used it for 4 weeks. I started this before I started this. So anyway, me using both together, I was repairing my skin, giving my skin a breather, like, because you can't use whitening products from January to December. You have to give yourself a breather. You have to take a break. You know that when you're repairing your skin, repairing products darken your skin. But with this and this, I didn't get dark. Honestly, I didn't get dark. This gave me 1 shade. And this, I think it gave me 1 shade too. So both with. So these products are very, very affordable. They're not cheap, but they're luxury affordable. They're very good. Leave if you have dark underpitch, dark inner thighs, the black will help you. The black will help you because it's super pro lightening. All right, this is just lightening because I didn't really want to go dark while repairing my skin, so I used these two. So I'm still on them even though my celebrity is finished. So I tip a little oil. I use this, it's a little bit dry. I tip a little oil. You could, you can see this right here. I tip a little oil and put it in there. You can put any oil you want to put inside there. So you see, I'm not dark. I didn't get dark, but I was not using anything for a while. I just repair my skin, breathe my skin. It smells good. It's soothing. It makes your skin soft. Your husband or your boyfriend will love to smell your skin. It's great on spots. Yes, it's great on spots. It's great on scars. And it's very, very, very good. So guys, for more info, you can get these products. They're not on my website. My website is shop-aluxuryskincare.com. And it's not there. I think I'm getting in more phone orders than the website. So what I am doing now is taking phone orders. You can give me a shout out on 628-444-1059 or 657-996-21. For payment, it would be PayPal and it would be Zelle. So guys, this feels so good. It's great. It smells amazing. They're not sharp or sharp rah. It's slow. They take your time. So I've been using this for 4 weeks. So I love how it makes my skin look, feels, and everything. I know my video is a little bit long, but I want to tell you guys the truth. Okay? So until then time, please watch, like my video, tell a friend to tell a friend. We speak nothing but the truth over here, baby. So catch you guys later. Bye-bye.